so much for coming here. Means a lot to have all your support. Um, Coming to your question, sorry.
So about the movie, what would you like to tell the press?
I mean, it's everything what Bowman sir said, Divyendu said, and Janvi said. And I would just add to that, saying, like Janvi said, बहुत शिद्दत से काम किया है. हम लोग very sincerely
Right.
we worked, and I'm so fortunate to have a very sincere producer, a very sincere director, and the legend, Mr. A.R. Rahman and Bowman sir, Divyendu. It is, I mean, this won't happen if it's planned. I think it's a very divine intervention that all this happened. And like knowingly or unknowingly, all this happened, and like knowingly or unknowingly, we worked very, very sincerely for the last 2.5 years, and it's a good film. End of the day, it's a great entertainer. Yes, it has some uplifting moments. It'll inspire you, and like my producer said, please go with children. I don't know the impact it will have on them, but it will not disappoint them. You will be happy that you've taken your children to this film.
Right. Sir, as Baban sir also said कि जो talent है वो ऐसी ऐसी जगह पे छुपा हुआ है कि हम जानते ही नहीं हैं. And this movie, this movie highlights कि talent बहुत छोटे से एक गांव district से भी आ सकता है. So what would you like to say? क्योंकि obviously you traveled a lot इस movie के shoot पर भी आपने अलग-अलग states अलग-अलग countries में भी shoot किया है. So what would you like to tell people कि ये जो talent है, जो इतना talent इंडिया में छुपा हुआ है, इसको बाहर निकालने की भी कितनी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है?
I mean, the films that we are making in the South have changed. It's not very urban driven. It's completely Mittika stories. All the 3 films I've done, which are really done very well in the box office, all are Hamara Mittika stories.
Right.
Like Bowman sir said, they're not in the cities. They're maybe in the villages, the towns. They're super talented. Our archery team of India, all the archers of India are from a tribal. They're tribals.
Wow.
Inherently, they have that talent of, bow and arrow. So none of them have come from the cities and the YMCAs. They have come from the tribals. So it is nice that some chairmen of archery have found that talent in the villages and the tribal clan. Like that in West Bengal, there is the most famous, Praveen, उनका नाम क्या है? West Bengal में वो stadium भी बनाया था ना? Mohammed? हाँ. So I was in Delhi last time. I was meeting Mr. Modi and I told him, he asked me, what is this film about?
Yeah.
I said, sir, I don't know if it's true, but Vikasit Bharat, it's empowering of our villages. वैसी concept है, sir. He said, Ram, एक बार we were campaigning in West Bengal. There was जब मैं campaign कर रहा था, there was a bunch of people. ऊपर jersey था, नीचे langot और वो सब पहन के था. So they asked, where are you from? They are from a smallest village near West Bengal. And today, almost one person, 80, 40, 50 years back, there was one person called Mr. Mohammed who came from there and he played for the Indian football team. Today, there are more than 85 people from that village who are playing for the football.
क्या बात है? वो ताली यार, come on.
So it's that one person who can make a huge difference. And this Peddi is one of those guys who comes from a very tribal town. That he's making a difference. And like Divyendu said, it's all about identity.
True. Sir, आपने you played a cricketer, then पहलवान बने आप, then a sprinter. सबसे tough कौन सा था इन तीनों में से उसके लिए prepare करना, उसको play करना?
पूरे थे. Everything was tough.
Yeah.
But when you do it with so much of love and passion, you want to do it again and again. It's not tough. I mean, tough is not the right word, but I enjoy doing all of it.
But I specifically want to talk about the पहलवान वाला, the part. I think वो देखने में लग रहा है कि उसके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगी है for this body.
वो तो tough ही था.
वो तो tough ही था. अगर if you have to select one, तो I think पहलवान वाला was the one, right?
I mean, like you said, I was not completely vegetarian. Out of the 2 years, maybe about 8 to 10 months, I was vegetarian because of my the penance I do.
True.
And it was very, very different from the other physiques. But this film required it, this role required it. I mean, it's all we know. I mean, that's all we should treat the character.
एंड आई थिंक तीनों कैरेक्टर्स जो हमने देखे तीनों जो हैं बहुत ही पावरफुल तरीके से निकल के भी आ रहे हैं सो टू ऑल द प्रेस सिटिंग सर व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू एड्रेस देम क्या बोलना चाहोगे उनको आप
I mean, thank you so much. I mean, the 4th June, please support the film and make sure you push the film and make sure everybody goes and watches this. It is something, it's an experience, like it's a very large scale a theater experience you're going to see. So yeah, I mean, once you like it on June 4th, please promote this film. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर
Thank you.
जस्ट लास्ट थिंग आई विश टू से हालांकि देवेंदु ने बोल दिया कि आपका एक लव ट्रायंगल था बट अगर ये नहीं होता तो आप जितने हैंडसम हो मेरा भी बन जाता आपके साथ
देवेंदु भाई ने फिल्म का जॉनर भी बदल दिया था. But no, what a pleasure. Why Divyendu is loved so much, you know, he's got this swag, he's got this, you know, the way he walks, the way he talks. ये असली में भी ऐसी है.
ऐसे ही है
Yeah, मुन्ना भाई जैसा है, मगर he doesn't abuse like मुन्ना भाई.
in an interview talked
उसका
about his
चाल-
gali being famous in South India as well
I love Delhi, the way Delhi vibes. I love it, and he is all Delhi.
yeah
Yeah.
right thank you so much sir thank you so much
Thank you so much. Thank you.
and before you leave sir I would like to call all the star cast for a photo